this way.
In this video we will prove whether or not the point 17/10, 5 lies on the circle centered at 1, 3 and going through the point 1, 1. Step 1 will be to find the formula of the circle, and step 2 will be to plug the point into the circle's formula that we found in step 1. In this step, we will disregard the first part of the question and focus mainly on where the center of the circle is and a point that the circle goes through. So it's centered at 1, 3. Plotting that on this graph. There's the center, and it's going through the point 1, 1. Let's plot that. And now I'm drawing a rough sketch of what the circle should look like. It's not exact, but it's good enough for the purpose of this problem. Now there, I'm showing the radius. Now since it's a vertical line, we can simply count the points going up, and we see that the radius is a length of 2. If it were somewhere else on the circle, we'd have to use the distance formula. Now the circle formula is given by x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared. And here the h and the k is given by this point at the center of the circle, which is 1, 3. And so we simply put 1 and 3 in the place of h and k respectively, and here you have the formula starting to take shape for this circle. Now the r is going to be 2 because that's the length of the radius of the circle. Now 2 squared equals 4, and so now we have our completed formula for the circle and have completed step 1. Now we take point 17/10, 5 and we simply plug that into our formula that we found in step 1. So 17/10 will be x and 5 is y. We put that into our formula here and we simply solve. And now we're just going to check to see if this formula or this equation is a true statement. So what is on the left side when we do basic algebra should equal what is on the right. And if it does not, then it is false, and we know that the point does not lie on the circle. So here we are. After a little bit of algebra, 49/100 equals 0? No. This is false because 49/100 in fact does not equal 0, and we know that this point does not lie on our circle.
I'm very fond of tea.
That should do it.